So here I am in Golden Gate Park. I took the BART with my bicycle and am now sitting at the west end of the park, and I wanted to show you my favorite thing in San Francisco. You're driving through this long park. I'll see if I can ride my bike and hold the camera. You're riding along through a nice wooded park with all kinds of pathways and roadways. And then, out of nowhere, the road ends and you arrive at the great expanse of the Pacific Ocean. Can you beat that? So here it is, a beautiful day in October. I'm about ready to take a tour of the west end of the Golden Gate Park, and I just had to take a moment to memorialize this fabulous arrival at the ocean. And there you have it. As far as the eye can see, ocean. And I think you might be able to read, maybe not, this little sign here that tells us that we're in Golden Gate Park.